Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on the ad hoc analysis of SQL challenge. I am Soumodip Dhar, a passionate data analyst focused on transform raw data into the actionable business insight. Today, I will be walking you through a comprehensive SQL analysis that I conducted for AtliQ Hardware, a leading computer hardware manufacturer. This project is a part of CodeBasics Resume Project challenge and showcases the real-world business problem solving using SQL. This presentation demonstrates how data-driven insight can guide strategic decision from market penetration to product strategy. Let's dive in. First, let me introduce myself briefly. I am a data analyst with core competence in Advanced Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, and ETL process. I am currently doing the virtual internship at AtliQ Technologies, where I get to apply these skills to the real-world business challenges. This CodeBasics Resume challenge project represents the accumulation of analytical thinking, technical SQL skill, and business acumen. It is designed to assess not just by ability to write query, but to think strategically and communicate insight effectively. Let's go to the main slide. So, why did this project come about? AtliQ Hardware is facing two critical business challenges. First, insight deficiency. Second, team expansion. First, we talk about insight deficiency. Management lacked sufficient data-informed insights to make quick, smart business decisions. They are essential flying blind in many strategic areas. Second, team expansion. AtliQ is effectively scaling their analytics department by hiring multiple junior data analysts to address this gap. Our objectives are clear. Assess both technical proficiency and essential soft skills. This is where I came in to demonstrate technical expertise and the ability to communicate complex things in the business-friendly manner. Let me give you the context of AtliQ Hardware, the company at the center of the analysis. First, we discussed about the product framework. AtliQ Hardware, a leading computer hardware manufacturer. It organizes product through the nested structure. First division, then go to segment, then go to categories, then last product variants. For example, in PC divisions, contain the notebook segment, which include the gaming laptop and the business laptop categories, each of the specific variants. Second, geographic coverage. AtliQ has impressive global reach across the major regions: North America, NA, Latin America, LATAM, Europe, EU, and Asia Pacific, APAC. Covering market from USA and Canada to India, China, Australia, and everywhere in between. The analysis was built on the robust data model created in Power BI with 5 key tables. DIM customer, the who, containing the geographic and the channel data included region, market, platform, and the customer details. Second, DIM product, the what. It is categorized item by division, segment, variant, and the specific product information. Third, fact sales monthly, tracking monthly sold quantities by product and the fiscal year. Fourth, fact gross price, managing gross pricing information. 5. Fact pre-invoice discount. It is handling pre-invoice discount percentages. And last, fact manufacturing cost. It is tracking manufacturing cost by product and the fiscal year. These all tables are connected through the well-defined relationship to enable the comprehensive analysis. Now let's discuss the business question. I tackled 10 comprehensive business questions that conducted by the course basis. It is covering various analytical scenarios like advanced SQL query, writing and optimization. Second, business insights extraction from complex datasets. Third, strategic recommendation based on data analysis. Let me walk you through each one, showing you both SQL logic and business insight derived. This question range from market penetration analysis to product innovation matrix, cost analysis, customer behavior, site patterns, channel performance, and product ranking. Each question required a different SQL technique and provided unique business value. First question. Provide the list of the market in which customer AtliQ exclusive operates its business in APAC region. So this is the straightforward filtering exercise using the dim customer table. The SQL query filters the customer equals AtliQ exclusive and region equals APAC. Right hand side, this is the query we have done. Now let's discuss key insight. AtliQ exclusive has a strong presence across Asia Pacific region, covering both major developed markets like Japan, South Korea, Australia, and emerging markets like in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, and Philippines. The 8 market footprints shows the geographic coverage and the market diversity, spanning different economic tiers and consumer profile. It is the comprehensive APEC strategy with the Iceland nations, continental markets, and both the mature and the emerging economics. There is a data quality note. New Zealand should be New Zealand in the database for the consistency. Second question. What is the percentage increase of the unique products in 2021 versus 2020? This require counting distinct product for the each fiscal year using case statement, then calculate the percentage change. The result were shrinking. 2020 had 245 unique products, while 2021 explored 334 unique products. That's an increase of 89 new products, representing the 36.33% year-over-year growth. So, what this tells us? This is significant product portfolio expansion. This indicates an aggressive growth strategy with the implication across the multiple areas. First, growth strategy. AtliQ is clearly diversifying the product portfolio and entering the new market segments. Second, operational impact. This means increase inventory management complexity, supply chain expansion, potential new partnerships, and enhance marketing and sales efforts. Third, market positioning. This shows confidence in market demand and available capital for growth, plus a strategic response to either customer demand and competitive pressures. Last, consideration for management. We need to analyze whether the product expansion translated to proportional revenue growth, and the assess for the portfolio. And assess the profitability of new versus existing product to ensure this growth. Third question. Provide a report with all the unique product count for the each segment sorted in descending order. Using the dim product table, I grouped them by segment and counted distinct product codes, ordering by count descending. The segment breakdown. First, notebook leads with 129 products, accessories follows with 116 products, peripherals has 84 products, desktop has 32 products, storage has 27 products, networking has only 9 products. Now let's discuss business strategy implications. The customer-centric approach is clear. The large accessory segment suggests a strategy to maximize revenue per customer by offering complementary products. Meanwhile, AtliQ specialized in notebook rather than being generalized electronics retailers. The focus give them the competitive advantage. So there is a strategic gap in desktop segment which dropped from 84 to 32 products. This is likely reflecting the desktop deprioritization tends as the market shifts towards mobile. Finally, the network segment present a major opportunity area with only 9 products. The category is growing with IoT routers and switches are becoming increasingly. Number 4, which segment had the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2020? Now the winners is the accessories, which led with 34 products from 69 to 103. Desktop saw plus 15 products with plus 114% growth. Peripheral grew by plus 16 and plus 27%. The aggressive expansion in accessories reflects an ecosystem strategy. The revival of desktop, which shows the major strategic shift, it is likely driven by the COVID-19 work from home boom. Question number 5. Get the product that have the highest and the lowest manufacturing cost. The extremes. Lowest cost. AtliQ Masterware X1 MS at $0.89. Highest cost. AtliQ Home Lean 1 Gen 2 at $240.54. This reveals a wide cost variance and helps to identify the premium versus budget product positioning. Understanding these extremes is crucial for the pricing strategy and the margin analysis. Question number 6. Top 5 customer with highest average pre-invoice discount in 2021 in India. So the top 5 is Flipkart, which stands 30.83%, Vivex 30.38%, eZone 30.28%, Chroma 30.25%, and Reliance Digital 30.25%. Critical finding. The narrow discount band 29 to 31% is shows the standardization tier-based pricing. All major retailers are aligned, creating high dependency risks. 30% average discount across the large customer, it creates the significant margin pressures. Recommendation. Analyze profitability, set discount caps, develop mid-tier customers to reduce dependency, and implement performance-based incentives. Question number 7. Complete report of gross sales amount for AtliQ exclusive for each month. Key patterns. Strong growth is 2020 significantly outcomes 2019. Second, peak seasons June and October, December. This is a holiday buying. Third, COVID-19 impact. Sharp drop in March to April 2020 with quick recovery. And fourth, Q4 exceptional performance. Sales jumps to 19 million plus dollar in September 2020. Now let's discuss recommendations. Stock up heavily for Q4 quarter 4, which is 2x capacity, reduce in quarter 1 inventory, launch promotion in March April, and maintain working capital buffer for seasonal variations. Question number 8. Which quarter of 2020 had maximum total sold quantity? Quarter 4 dominance. Quarter 4 sold 8.4 million units, that 2.5x more than quarter 2. It represents 40% of annual volume with the clear year end or the holiday sales spike. The second quarter 3 plus quarter 4, 13.7 million units, which outperformed the first half, quarter 1 plus quarter 2, which represent 7.1 million units by 93%. Quarter 2 is the weakest at 3.4 million units. It is likely due to COVID-19 lockdown. Now strategic recommendation. Scale production for quarter 3 to quarter 4 to double to quarter 1 to quarter 2 capacity, and launch quarter 2 promotions. Focus on premium products during quarter 4 for peak, and build safety stock by the end of quarter 2. Question number 9. Which channel brought most gross sales in fiscal year 2021 and percentage contribution? Now, retailer dominance. Retailer dominance contributed 73% of sales, that's 1.92 billion. This is 6x larger than the outer channels. First, retailers 73%, which is 1.92 billion. Direct 15%. Third, distributor 11%. Now recommendations. Target 60-30-10. Split over 3 years. Invest in direct channels, e-commerce or D2C, direct to customer, to reach 30% share and strengthen retailer relationships, which reduce the dependency risks. We have already discussed total 9 questions. Now let's discuss last question. Top 3 products in each division with high total sold quantity in fiscal year 2021. N&S division. It is a clear winning. Top product AQ pen drive 2-in-1 with 701K units, 100K higher than the PC division. All 3 products are pen drives dominating with 670% more than the PC's top product. Now PC division, which is the urgent concern. Top product only 428K unit, 40% lower than the N&S. This is the concerning given the company specialized in notebooks. Now let's discuss key recommendation. Investigate PC division underperformance immediately. Maintain pen drive leadership in N&S. Scale up mouse production in P&A and address the critical gap between company's position and the market performance. This CodeBasics Resume challenge has allowed me to demonstrate my complete analytical skill set from complex SQL queries to strategic business recommendations. These insights demonstrate how SQL can transform raw data into strategic business intelligence that directly impacts the executive decision making.